schematics. Okay. Okay, good evening po. Good evening everyone. Ladies and good evening po sa another game time tonight. Basketball action, Saturday basketball action. For sure, sa ating AFL Aviation Friendly Daba sa Flying League. Ang liga ng mga lumilipad. Live po tayo po ngayon sa the British Academy in Wakra City po yan. And what to witness now the two games, two teams for tonight. Between in-flights clad in white and pink combination, and also versus the Golden Boys aka CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Both teams po ito is both walang loss po, at malalaman po dito sino po ang number 1 at number 2 sa ligang ito. After 40 minutes of basketball action, ito po ngayon ang Aviation Friendly dubbed as the Flying League. This is the team na for tonight po. Ito po yung CAS versus In-Flights. First game for tonight. Headed by Serrano and Company and versus Di Macali and Company po. And along with Mr. Philip Cinco, ang kanilang team manager. Okay, we're just waiting for the opening whistle to start the ball game. And after this po, it will be the team between, of course, Qatar Extreme Ballers versus the Mechanicos. Yan po, mamaya po yan. Basketball action tonight, game night tonight. Basketball action tonight for the AFL third season Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Ito po yan po, AFL Friendly League, Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. We'll like to the following sponsors, Team LBC and Thread and Needles, and of course, nandiyo po ang Team SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. We'll be just waiting for the opening whistle to start. Yan po sila Di Macali and Company, dahan-dahan na po sila. And ano po sila Serrano and Rivera naman yan, and si Lumanag and Company. Okay, JS versus JS of the CAS versus, of course, Di Macali naman po sa kabila ng Di Macali along with the In-Flights. Yan, malalaman po natin yung mga sa ating basketball action for tonight. Got to move now 1 meter away. Okay, it's good. Okay, game night tonight po tayo. Basketball action tonight. Yan. Between In-Flights and, of course, Qatar Aviation Services. And also after this po yan po yan, Extreme Ballers, Chodilax and Company versus yan po sila Bakla naman and Company ng mga Mechanicos. Yan po yan, mama po yan po. We're just waiting for the opening whistle to start the game. Maraming salamat po, and standby po tayo for the opening whistle. Feel free to comment po. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Huwag po kayo mahiya po. Babasahin po namin yan. Babasahin po namin po yung mga magko-comment po. Maraming salamat po. And we'll just wait now to start the game between CAS and In-Flights. James Noom is watching already. Maraming salamat sa ating forum viewers po natin right now. Okay, maraming salamat po. And of course, again, this game is brought to you by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala at Thread and Needles. Yan po yan. And of course, sama na po natin po ang PSBQ and SBB Pilipinas for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. We'll be just waiting up for the opening whistle between In-Flights and CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Okay, game start, opening whistle. Magsisimula na po ang ating whistle po ngayon between In-Flights and CAS. Medyo malapapansin po, medyo ang interest po, medyo wala po yung mga key players nila like anything Mungkal. Sa kabila, medyo hitik pa rin po ang CAS. Okay na, both teams now receiving the final mga coaches. And this game is brought to you by SBB Philippines, so keeping the game in a neat and ordinary fashion. Salamat po kay Team Kapitan. Okay, let's game! In-Flights and CAS. Battle for first place po tayo ngayon. Ranking nito halos. Malalaman na po sino po ang 1 tsaka sino po number 2 ngayon. After 40 minutes of basketball action. First quarter, first set, first line starters po nila. Yan po si number 17, 27, number 13, number 12, at si number... Sino to? 17, 13. Isa pa. Sa kabila naman dyan, sina Dimakali, si number 10, si number 28, si number 5, at si number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isa pa. Okay, we're just about to start now the opening jump ball. Okay, 17, 27, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 12. Okay, game start. Opening whistle. James Loops and Paul Corpus watching ready. First possession, nakuha po ni Lumanog. Number 4, CAS on the attack. Fadeaway shot, wala. Rebound battle, pero stepping on the ring kagad si number 17. Balik muna sa In-Flights ang bola. Sa pula po. Julius Pabange, good evening boss. Good evening po sir. Okay, umatake, number 18, number 5, Di Guzman, palpal, kagad di number 12. Palpal kagad di number 12. Okay, same ball po tayo, same ball. Same ball po tayo, number 1. Dimakali, 33, pops number 3, malakas. On the attack muli po yung number 27, CAS. CAS on the attack, CAS on the attack, fadeaway shot. 2 points, floater shot. Sabi ni Bob, shot na po kay Durex, European player, si Roy Bustos. Sabi po ni Julius Babagay, si Bustos po, Durex, durable player of the game. Bustos, na-check po siya kagad. Dapitan, may call ka. Oy, traveling violation po doon, Dapitan, traveling violation. Si Dimakali kagad po kagad ang bola. Dimakali on the roll. Dimakali, naghahanap ang mapasan. Bustos, Peñalalba, wala po rin po. Still scoreless po rin po tayo. Hoy! Madalas. Ingat lang. Bustos, Dimakali, wala pa rin. Same ball po tayo. The score right now is 0-2. Laman po ang CAS ng dalawa. Sabi ni Terdy Canton, let's go CAS. Nasaan ka Canton? Nawawala ka. Bang! 3 points kagad, binanatan. Nice shot by number 5 ng CAS. Dapitan naman, bumabawi. Wala po pa, and rebound barrel. Hop! And same ball. Sabi ng referee, same ball. The score right now is 3-2, boss. 3-2 po score po natin. Pops up, no good. Rebound battle, 1 by number 17. Number 13. Abala. No, number 27. 2 points, number 27. That's not Abala. Oy! Okay, balik muli po ng bola. Nagkaroon po ng miscommunication po si Dimakaling at ang Imakampe. And now, 13. Driving the ball. Bothered. Number 27. Number 12. Number 12. Driving. Again, 27. 27. Bantay sarado. Number 4. 2 points, number 4. Let's go right now. 3-5. 3-6 rather. Lamang pumuli po ang Cas. Bustos, number 0. Bustos, cross shake and pick. Dish of pass. Hey! May foul ang referee. Nice selfless play by Bustos. Sabi ni Babagay, teka lang, may isa na. Babagay, third year Canton, running for MVP. Wala yata si Canton. Pops up. No good. Di Guzman, second throw, jumpers ready. Unti-unti dumarating na po mga team po. Next one. Okay, it sinks it in. Number 5, 1 point. 13 again, 13. May tanga ng bola, 13. Good ball, same ball pa rin. Pero mga tutulugan ito, in fairness, maraming padding. Safety sa mga player. Shoutout, sabi ng Cas, sabi ni si Ayasa si Salado. Yan. Wala ka naman, boss. Wala ka naman. It's in the game. Hoy! Matik na. Dimakaling. Setting up the pace, umatake. Pinilit. And one play, binanat ni Makali kagad. Batang Dimakali, 2 points kagad. From the foul of number 4, that's Lumawag. Lumawag, first foul of number 33, Dimakali shooting for the bonus free throw and possible. They will take the lead. Pops up. Yes, sir. Okay, lamang muli po ang in-flights. In-flights, lamang muli po sila in-flights. So, sa 13 muli may nagbababa ng bola. Nagbababa bola, 13. Nasundot. And a Bustos on the top. Bustos, Dimakali. 2 points Dimakali. Back-to-back field goals kagad. Binanat ni Batang Dimakali. Okay, sabi niya sa passing boss. Okay, sir. Walang problema po, sir. Lumawag. Nakuha ni Dimakali. And still same ball. Nice hustle. Pero si Lumawag po, nakuha kagad niyang bola. Lumawag, Silva, umatake, 2 points Lumawag. 5 minutes 28 remaining at score is 11-8. The score is 11-8, lamang po ang in-place ng tatlo. Bustos, may tangan ng bola, Bustos driving, Dios of pass kay Dimakali. Nahuli, Lumawag, nahuli Dimakali ng bola, Dimakali again, Di Guzman for 3. No good. Number 15 to number 22, may tangan ng bola. Passing, sir. Okay. No problem, sir. And now, Lumawag. No good. Binabate foul. Holding foul committed. Who's foul rep? Okay. Timeout called by Cas. And also now, change 5 na po tayo. This time yan, yung Mercado. Mercado 5, number 8. Alagdad isang big man yun, si number 23. Kabila na po. Yan, dumasok tayo, si number 23, si number 53, si JS. Number 3 at si number 2 at si number 9. Yan ang mga shock trooper po ni Coach Owen Saman. Okay, now, Serrano. Number 9, pops up. Bang! Delivers agad. Mga pamatay sunog, mga birador, binanatang agad. Pinasok ni Coach Owen. And now, ito po tayo now 5. Number 8, driving the ball, turning around, nakuha ni Tan, double team, nakuha ni Sila, foul, nakuha pa rin ng Aris rather, Aris number 2, nice defense si Aris. Tan for the inbound, Tan inbound to number 3, to Tan again, Tan, 23, driving, pops up, no good. Nakuha ni number 23 naman ng in-flights, number 8, naku, almost fumbled and mumbled. Now, again, 5, Mercado pops up, no good, rebound battle, and, oy! Pass ball, tumama sa paa ni number 8 ng in-flights, si Ariola. 11-10, laman pa rin po ang in-flights. JS, driving, stripped away, big foul committed by Ariola. JS, inbounding again. JS. What happened? Okay, 2 shots. Binigay kay JS. Penalty, sir? Penalty. Okay, penalty situation pala ang in-flights. First shot, JS. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay JS. JS, second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. No good still. Nakuha ni number 23. Ariola ng in-flights. Driving in against Tan. Double team again. Foul! Uy, Mungkal is in the house. Okay, na Mercado nag-inbound to Mike De Mercado. Balik po sa golden ball ang bola. Golden ball, sabi ng referee, golden ball. Number 3, umatake. Cas on the attack. Tan, driving, pops up, 2 points kagad. Ang bilang natin ni Tan. Tan, 2 points. Change favor po tayo, 11-12. Lamang na naman ang Cas. Ariola for 3, no good. Rebound ni JS. JS na to Tan. Tan driving in. 2 points again, Tan. Back-to-back field goals by Tan. Okay, 11-14 ngayon. A 3-point lead na been posted na by Team Cas. Sabi ng babagay, wala pa siya yung dito, sir. May duty yata. Mas babagay. 5 for 2. Yeseri off the glass. 13-14 po ang score po natin ngayon. 13-14. Serrano, JS, Sotan for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 23 again. Ariola for 3. Bang! 3 points, Ariola, 3 points. Number 9. So, JS. Totan again for 3. No good. Rebound ni number Mercado up the glass. No good. Rebound again ni JS. Yan ang sinasabi ng mga referee na medyo walang space yung clearance between the backcourt and the line. Kaya mag-adjust muna pa mga players po ngayon. That's Mike, number 3 pala, nakaribang kanina sa in-flights. Mike, binabantayan. Aris, number 3 to JS for 3. Malakas ang konti. And again, Aris, number 9, pops up. 2 points again. Easy 2 points again. Back-to-back field goals also ni number 9 ng Cas. 16 all po tayo yun. Dead duck po tayo. And Philip again. No good. Rebound. Si Daisy. Brown ball. Brown ball. Sabi na it's brown. Good ball. Matake. Okay, nakuha number 23. That's a Philip. Ariola. Umatake muna for 2. No good. Tan again. Tan on the attack. Tan. For 2. Long to lang. No good pa rin. JP. JS pa rin. JS. Offensive foul committed. Okay, that's a surprise. Okay, Mercado now for the inbound. Mr. Mercado to 5. 14 seconds remaining on the game clock. 14 seconds. 5. Ariola. Side step move. 2 points, Ariola. And that's it po. First quarter is ended. Laman po ng dalawa ang team in flights. Okay, watching now class versus in flights. First game po tayo for the Saturday basketball action. And come up next po is, of course, nandiyan po ang Extreme Ballers and the Mechanicos. Okay. We would like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po yan, SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ. And TMLBC Hari ng Padra, Sir Gudimas, and also Trade Needles. And ito po ang third season po ng A-Base Friendly Dub as the Flying League. Di po. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. Medyo maganda po competition po dahil for ng ranking po tayo. 1-2 na nakasalalay dito. Both teams po kasi is having a 6-0 card. One of them will go 7-0 and one will go 6-1. And atake po ang in-flights. Number 5 for the inbound. That's De Guzman. And Di Macali receiving the ball. Setting up the pace. De Guzman. Pops up 7. Mungkal. Bang! Mungkal, 2 points. The high flyer Mungkal, nandiyan na rin si Mr. Mungkal. 2016. Matayas, number 17. Ayun, ang galing. Makapos nga lang. Mungkal naka-rebound. Nice rebound by Mungkal. Number 33, malalim po ng konti. And now, Matayas, number 15. Ang Berador din. Lumawag. Number 15. Driving. Pops up. Wala. And nakuha number 7. Wag mo na raw. Sabi, wag daw ganoon. Sabi nga. Sabi Di Macali. Kaya Di Macali. Setting up the pace. Sinabi si Mungkal. Ayaw mo niya. Pumuka ng pick. Pick kagad. Nando kay Lope for 3. Bang! 3 points Lope. 3 points. 23-16. That's the biggest game lead of the ball game para sa in-flights. Nope. Not good. Mungkal. Take pass kay Di Macali. Driving. Slicing. Traveling violation ang tinawag ng referee. Di Macali called for the travel. Rivera to Lumawag. Number 4. Taking out the pace to Rivera kaya ng bola. Rivera, Lumawag. Driving strong. Nawala ang bola. Di Macali, 2 points again. Di Macali, 2 points. 15-16 at 7 minutes. 50 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Floater shot, 2 points. Number 17. Okay, 17, binasag din sa wakas ang silence po ng CAS. Number 17, 2 points. Yung kanilang sentro. Now, si Di Macali malimit grab, nagdadala ng bola. Di Macali, again, to Lope. Lope, Mungkal for 2. 2 points, Mungkal. Mungkal, 2 points again. Number 15, 2 points kagad ang binanatan. Yung mga shock troop ni Boss Owens na gumagana na rin po. Di Macali again, Di Macali. Di Macali, setting up down to Lope. Lope to Di Macali. De Guzman, 2 points Di Guzman. 29-20, a 9-point lead advantage. Being posted now by Team In Flights. And now, about numbers Rivero, malakas ang pasa. Nandun pa rin si number 17. Nagbigay ng puntos muli si number 7. Back-to-back. Opulencia 17, giving up again the points for CAS. De Guzman, 3 points De Guzman. 32-22, a 10-point lead now been posted now by Team In Flights. Number 15, Rivera. Rivera, binabantay ni Di Macali. Rivera, ayun. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line sa aming referee. Rivero is watching si Armando. Armando, Di Macali, pinilit, wala. Rebound, dinabay ito Fernandez, Di Macali. Di Guzman putri again. Bang! 3 points, Di Guzman. Three points, Di Guzman. Back-to-back 3 points ni Mr. Di Guzman. Rivera. Rivera. Opulencia, 17. Rivera. Driving strong. Ayun, lumawag. 2 points lumawag. Jervis Arnado is watching also. Armando Rivera is watching also. Sige, marami-rami po tayo. Marami sila po. Lope. Again, Di Guzman. Tapos. 15. Matake si 15. Matake si 15. 15. Rivera. 2 points Rivera. And change players muli tayo. 5 minutes po muli tayo. Quality minutes binigyan ni Di Guzman para sa in-flights. Sa kabila naman, si Opulencia, quality minutes ang binigay din niya sa team. And timeout called by In-Flights. The score is 35-26. Laman po ng siyam ang In-Flights. Robin being also mabibilis. Okay, salamat po Sir Robin. Thank you po Sir Robin. Shout out bossing watching from the Philippines. Shout out Sir. And so shout out din po sa In-Flights. Sabi ni Robin, good luck po In-Flights. Sabi ni Kim Minales. 23. Inbounding. 23 for the inbound. Again, si Ariola tumanggap ng bola. Ariola pa, Bustos. Bustos rather, Bustos. Okay, Bustos. Peñalaba, kumukuha ng pick. Mike. Bustos, driving. Ayun! Mading de Pal ni Serrano. Foul kagad ang minuno. Foul on Bustos. 35-26, 4 minutes 42 remaining. Scott, nagabi sa Scott. Hoping watching the show. Number 9 pops up. Bang! Nope, it's no good. Nakuha ni number 23. Ang bola. Tan. Nagtatrap sila. Trapping. Nagtatrap sila. Salting. Bustos sa instant. Nakuha. Mike. Wala. Bang! Rebound. Ni Serrano nagmamadali. Ayan si Serrano. JS. Wala. No foul. Sabi ng referee. Tan. Nagmamadali. And number 28. Hop. Double dribble. Okay, now to Tan. Tan, nagbababa ng bola. Tan, setting up the pace. Tan. Tan. Again, JS. Foul! 23 called for the foul. That's Salting called for the foul. JS shooting for 2. JS 53 shooting for 2. JS 53 pops up. Yes, sir. First shot made. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. And after this po Mechanicos and Extreme Ballers, magandang-daan na po kayo. Pumunta po kayo dito. Medyo maluluyo po kasi ang venue. Maraming salamat po. Calling Extreme Ballers and Mechanicos. Maganda mag-init-init na kayo dahil kasi maluluyo pa ang venue. Maraming salamat po. Palpal! Smothered by JS. Smothered by JS. Mike again. No good. Castball. Castball. 35-28 naman po yung po ng 7 ang team in flights. Ayun na. Number 9. No good. Bustos sa rebound. Nakuha ace. Palpal. Another. Swatted away by JS. Swatted away. And now, again, miscommunication again. 2 minutes 44 remaining. Second quarter action. And now to Tan. Tan driving strong. Wala. Take 2. Foul on Bustos for sure. Bustos called for the foul. Blocking foul yan. Tan and timeout called by In-Flights. Timeout called by In-Flights. Yan po yung mga beauties po natin ngayon. Kaway po kayo, ma'am. Mga beauties po ngayon ng Aviation Friendly League. Ayan, kaway po kayo. Ayan po, ayan ha. Okay, thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, they're watching the show right now. Yan yung kailang mga beauties po ngayon sa gabing ito. Wala tayong face of the evening. Pasensya na. Okay, new comment. Scott, bakit hindi naro si Yao? Ikaw kailangan niya ng CAS. Baka naka-duty, sir. Where is Yao daw? Sabi ni Kani Scott. Where is Yao? Tan, shooting for 2. First shot. Nope. Di pumasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, last throw po tayo. Jumpers ready para sa team CAS. Tan again. It's in. 35-29. A 6-point lead from the high 10-point lead kanina. Na lang po being enjoyed by In-Flights. Malansa, walang ano mo. Uy! Nice D by Serrano. Nice D and fast break. And one play given. Continue to given po para kay Mr. Tan. From the assist from Serrano. Tan. Again. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Jumpers ready. Walang anuman, sir, babagay. Walang anuman po, boss. It's in the game. Tan. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Number 12. Palpal. Hoy! Foul. On Tan. 23. Called for the foul. Blocking foul. Okay, In-Flights po for the inbound. Peñalba for the inbound. To Mr. Bustos. Charlotte kay Pong Julius Babae, pang crucial ang play. Sabi ni Scott, Bustos, nice dish and one play made by Salting. Nagdala ng playmaker yata si Coach Philip Cinco. Bading nyo, Mr. Bustos. Nagdala siya ng playmaker ngayon. Salting. Bonus free throw coming up. Pops up. It's in. Okay, now inbound binigay pa si JS to number 9. Number 9. Okay, binigay mo na kay number 3. Number 3. Number 2, Dapitan. No good. Dapitan. Off the wing. Bustos. Have some troubles. And now to Mr. Peñalba. Driving. Salting. Marcelo for 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Dapitan fumbled and mumbled. Babagay, pace of the night, si Roy Bustos rin po, Sir Martin. And Marcelo, Bustos, hop! Who's doy! Traveling violation ng tinawagan referee. It's a travel on Bustos. Okay, Dapitan for the inbound. Dapitan to number 3. Number 3, Tan, wag muna raw siya. Okay, na to JS. JS driving strong. Pops up, floated shot. No good. Rebound battle, 1 buys. Number 10. Marcelo. Salting. Mike. For 3. Nako, nilabas. Nasundot. Nasundot and pops up. No good. No good pa rin. Sayang lang kay Salting ang bola. 38-31. 7-point lead advantage. Pace of night si Roy Bustos po. Sir Martin. Salting shooting for 2. First shot. 22 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. No good. Second throw. Salting. Second free throw. Number 27 free throw. 22 seconds remaining. Pops up. It's in. Matayas duman sa harapan ko. Number 9. Dapitan. Number 3. Dapitan. Lost the ball. Lost the ball. Still completed. And still completed again. Tan. Fortune yan. Nice deep by Salting, pero di umubra. Tan shooting for 2 for sure. Ako shooting kasi yan. Three seconds remaining. Tan. First shot. Yes, sirree. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready para kay Mr. Tan. Pops up. No good. Foul. Who's pal rep? Salting call for a foul, pushing foul. Take 2. JS, take 2. Penalty situation ng CAS. Penalty situation nga ng in-flights. 2 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Second quarter action. JS, first shot. Nope. Second shot, JS, jumpers ready. Second shot, JS, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Rebound, and that's it. Maraming salamat po, and that concludes now our first half of the game. Laman po ang in-flights ng 7, 39-32. Alex Roldan, nasaan ka, boss? Ba't wala ka rito? 39-32. Alex Roldan, where are you na? Okay, and now back po tayo. Bag-antay po tayo. Another 5 minutes lang. Half-time po tayo yun. Half-time tayo. Okay, yan po tayo. We're just half-time lang po tayo. 39-32, medyo nga tagububo ang laban ngayon. Now this time we'll see now what will happen to the third quarter action. Mark Christian pala siya. Halo. Mark Christian pala siya. Okay, game. Okay, well, just waiting for the whistle again. Medyo slow ka. Try ko dati, lutang ako. Hehehe. Sabi ni Cesalado Jorogue. Nagpassing ako kay Bes, sabi niya. Shoutout kay Julius Mabagay, ang pang-crucial play. JP Beron, Jervis Arnando. Okay, Jervis Arnando, good luck team, sabi ni Arnado. Naka-duty boss Arvin, sabi rin ni Roldan. Okay, wala problema, trabaho na talaga tayo. Okay, change court po tayo yun, mga kababayan ko. Change court po tayo. Rivera for the inbound. Rivera, Serrano, JS. Rivera for 3. No good. Rebound, battle won by Dimacali. Dimacali driving strong. Binitin pa. 2 points Dimacali. Dimacali 2 points. Serrano naman. Serrano! Foul on Dimacali. Dimacali foul. JS for shooting for 2, pops up, it's in. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. 41-33, an 8-point lead advantage being enjoyed still by in-flights. Again, both basket made. Thank you po. And now Mercado mitambol, this time with Munkal and company. Mercado. Ariola hinap si Munkal. Munkal on the wings. Dimacali. Mercado. Ariola. Shot clock winding down. De Guzman. 2 points De Guzman. 8:58 remaining. JS. Matayas. JS! Malakas. Blocking foul called. Sa ilalim. Okay, sintas muna. Sintas. Okay, JS now. Lumawag sa ilalim. 2 points kagad. Wow, knockout play. Nice one by Matayas. Knockout play. From the backcourt, gumamit. And De Guzman. To Mercado again. Mercado. Dimacali again. Binabati ng Matayas. Dimacali. Serrano. De Guzman. No good. Munkal. Malakas. Again, Munkal. 2 points Munkal. What a put back by Munkal. Put back by Mr. Munkal. Now, JS again. JS. 2 points, JS. Nakuha ni Opilensya. Good ball. Nakuha again ni Ariola. Malakas. Nice rebound by Opilensya. Now, umataking yun si JS. Justin Serrano in the house. And one play made by Justin Serrano. Justin Serrano saying, I'm the man. And this is my court. Sabi niya. JS now shooting for the bonus free throw. Bonus free throw ni JS coming up. Pops up. Nope. Mungkal naka-rebound. Mungkal towering rebound. Pwede idakdak niya kung tutusin. Di Makali. No good. Rivera. Ano muna? Wag muna raw. Sabi nila, wag muna raw. Ano lang? Set tayo. Mag-set daw tayo. Sabi niya. Mag-set daw. And now, JS again. Serrano scaling the defense. Serrano. Doon muna kayo, no? Rivera. No good. Rebound. Di number 15. 2 points number 15. Shot trooper naman. And timeout called by Cass. Favor, paano lang? Paswivel pwede, paswivel lang. Paswivel. Paki-operate lang po yung camera. O, pwede na ako. Sige, hindi mo nagkaintindihan. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 7 minutes, 2 seconds remaining. 45-42. Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan ng in-flights. 45-42. Kanina with a high of 10 points. Now down to 3 points na lang ang in-flights. Di Makali. May tangan ng bola. Di Makali. Against Serrano and company. Mercado for 2. Malakas. Rebound by Palencia. Rivera. Hinahabol ni Makali. Lumawag. 2 points. Sinubo lang ang bola. Sinubo lang ang bola. Ariola again. Mungkal. Ayun. Mercado. Open man. Mungkal. Rebound. David's man. Same ball. Okay. Now, Di Makali. Ariola. Double dribble. And okay, Mercado labas muna para kay Mr. P. And of course, si Tan muna papasok muna para kanino? Para kay number 17, Opilencia. Matayas to JS. Matayas. Ayun, sayang. Wrong move. Di Makali again. 45-44. A 1-point lead na lang po being enjoyed by in-flights. For 2. Wala. Hold mo na raw, sabi ng referee. Rivera, Tan, Rivera again, JS for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Mungkal. Nagmamadali si Mungkal. No good. Rebound battle won by 13. 33, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Serrano bola. That's Di Makali. Tan. Oy! Foul on Ariola. Ariola called for the foul. Lumawag. Tan to Serrano. JS to Tan. For 3. Okay, lamang na pumuling yon ang Cass now seizing the lead. 45-47. Ay! Matayas, pops up, no good, ayun. Tan, back-to-back field goals by Tan. Di Makali. Good ball! Matayas, number 4, lumawag, wala. Show Deluxe is in the house. Okay, lumawag, shooting for 2, pops up, pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Both basket made. De Guzman. Dumakali. Pe. Nagmamabasaan. Mungkal. Nice. Rebound. Napantay si Mungkal ng mga oras yun. Rivera. 2 points Rivera. And timeout. Called by In-Flights. Again, the onslaught is on now. Fourth on for Cash. Back to the ball game tayo. 3 minutes 42 remaining. The score is 45-53. Lamang na po ng 8 ngayon ang Team Pass. Bukang pinasok muna, nilabas mo na yung mga players mo. Like Di Makali. Pariyadan sa fourth quarter action. De Guzman to Bustos. The playmaker. Bustos. Alex Soto is watching also. Okay, Bustos. Mungkal. Pe. For shot. No good. Okay, Tanses. Ano muna, setup tayo. Let's go for setup. JS yung Bustos. Rivera. And this guy play. No good. Foul, lumawag. Lumawag, called for the foul. Bustos, nagmamadaling bola. Bustos. Mungkal, pops up. Bang! Mungkal, the high flyer. Spotting ang ginagawa mo ni Mungkal yun. 47-53. Lamang ng pit ng 6. No good. Again, ang tatak mo rin si De Guzman. Bustos. Mungkal. Back-to-back field goals by Mungkal. Both coaches ngayon nakatayo na rin. And si JS po ngayon may tangan ng bola. Ipasok daw si Don Matthew, sabi ni Hernando. Palpal! Good goal! Walang tawag! Mungkal, may tangan ng bola, Mungkal pops up. Basket made again. Literally si Mungkal ngayon nagdideliver ng salary points ngayon para sa In-Flights. Go number 4. Sabi ni GR Prince Gray. Oh! Foul. Substitution, Matay Sando, labas muna para kay number 9. Okay, wag muna raw. Si number 4, pahingin mo rin si number 4 kay lumawag para kay Matay Sander. Okay, ito na. Rivera. Pops up. Bang! Number 9, 2 points. Ang taga-deliver ng punto sa wings. Yung dalawa nandiyan na. Si 15 at si number 9. That's Matay Sander tsaka si number 9 ng CAS. Bustos naman, the playmaker. Bustos. Kiniluwa pa. Wala yung dumubra. Hop! Same ball. Okay, overruled. Gold ball, golden ball, brown ball. Sabi ni Jeff Prince, relax lang, lamang na. Sabi niya. A minute and 5 seconds remaining. 51-55. JS. Ayun. Bang! Number 9. 2 points kagad. Perimeter shooting is in. Para kay number 9. Okay, number 0. Kay Mungkal fadeaway shot. Wala. Umubra kay number 9. Naka-rebound number 9. 51-57, 33 seconds remaining. JS. Naghahanap ng mapasahan. JS crossover. Nasundot. Salting. Hop. Traveling violation. Sabi ng referee. Traveling violation on JS. On Salting rather. Sabi na Iyasa sila de Jurege. Go CAS. And JS now for 3. No good. Sayang. Okay, that's it. That completes now our third quarter action. 51-57. The rally was sparked by JS on the first early minutes of the third quarter action. You're watching right now CAS versus In-Flights. And also after this po is the Mechanicals versus Extreme Ballers. Yan, si Chudulax and Camper po yan versus si Nabaklaan, si Talisik, and si Siena and Company yan. Okay. Nag-aantay lang po tayo ng final whistle. Final whistle po tayo yun. Final whistle. Go CAS. The score is 51-57. Lamang po ngayon ang CAS. Coming from the late rally, early rally po nila started on the early third quarter action. Headed by number 9 and number 15 sa kanilang wings. Okay, fourth quarter action start. Number 4, si Tan. Number 3, number 9, number 17. Sa kabila naman, si Mungkal. Si Mike, si number 23, si Salting. Si number 4, si Bustos at si Dimakali. Opulensya for the inbound. Kaway naman, sir. Kaway ka naman, pre. Sungit mo, ha? O, sige. Opulensya for the inbound. Final 10 minutes coming up. Okay, depensa raw. Baliktad. Depensa raw, sir. Depensa pala, baliktad. Okay, si Bustos na magre-rebound inbound yun. Bustos, it's Mr. Salting ang mag-inbound para kay Bustos. The playmaker is in. Sabi ni Coach Ruben Quinmanes, focus lang in flights. May tiwala at tiwala kaya dyan. Pass na ako ni Tan. Ayun. Kay number 9, nilabas ang bola. Rebound, won by number 23. Now, Bustos again, Bustos again, Mr. Dimakali, Bustos again, Bustos turning, nakuha ni Tan ang bola. Still completed. 2 points Tan. finger roll pag binalat niya. Again, Bustos. Bustos, agad mapasahan si Bustos. Di Makali muna tayo, Di Makali. Mike, Mungkal, Foul on Opilencia. Ray Cream is watching. Opilencia nga called for the foul. 9 minutes 6 remaining at 51-59 na lang po ang kalamangan. Mike, Bustos driving in. Mike, Di Makali for 3, no good. Ayun, Mike for the rebound. Nice rebound by Mike. Putback also, offensive putback ginawa ni Mike. Mark Christian, number 3. Mark Christian, number 9. Contreras, number 3. Mark Christian, Tan, 23. Dumawag, 2 points lumawag, fadeaway shot. Turn around fadeaway shot ang ginawa niya. Okay na, Bustos. Foul. Pasensya na ba sa akin boses para tayo nasa loob ng yungib? Dahil kasi ito ang acoustics po ng venue nito. Di Makali, Mungkal, Mike almost lost the ball. Mike, ayun, 2 points, salting. 55-61 at 6-point lead ang kalamangan naman ng CAS. Lumawag, number 3. Opilencia, no good. Rebound di Mike. Bustos again, Bustos. Marcelo, Bustos, so walang bola. Mike, thinking 3, ayaw muna nga. Di Makali, no good. Hop, stepping on the line. Aray. Stepping on the line. Mike, Mungkal, power move, same space, and one play made. Nice space-making move ni Mr. Mungkal. Mungkal shooting for the bonus free throw. 57-61 after Decibel sinks it. Tatlo na po kalamangan ng CAS. Okay, alam mo na, Mark Christian, pahinga muna ikaw, sabi ni Mr. JS. Quality minutes po kay Mark Christian sa third quarter, sa fourth quarter. And now Mungkal pops up. 3-point play completed by Mr. Mungkal. Tan. Sabi ni Jay Prince kay galaw lang, gumising na ako para panoorin ka, number 4. Lumawag, floater shot, 2 points. Naglalakad sa area number 4 ah. Di Makali. Ayun. Mike for 3. No good. JS for the rebound. Number 9. No good. Tackle. Put back by number 4 is in. Di ko papasok na rin yan. Bustos. Di Makali. Bustos. Kinilwa pa. Pasok ang blaba ang ni Bustos. 60-65. 5-point lead. Been trailed na lang ng in-flights. Ariola. Papasok na rin yan. Nagre-report na rin. Tan for 2. No good. Rebound by Opilencia. Number 9. Wala pa rin. Napagod na yata. And number 23, Tan for 3. No good. Mungkal, rebound made and foul committed. Okay, Adiola in for Bustos. De Guzman in para kay Salting. Okay, sab muna rin. Tahan muna, pinagpapahinga muna. Papasok si Matayas. Matayas, masok muna para kay ano? And now, Di Macali. Ariola. Tinggi 3, wag mo na raw, ayaw niya. Di Macali. Okay, Serrano. Di Macali. Driving strong. Palpal. Nahuli. Serrano now, driving the move. Serrano. 2-point Serrano. Basketball made easy. Okay, Serrano. Sundot. Again, Serrano again. Contreras. Rivera. Wala. Ayun. Again, offensive rebound to number 4. 5 minutes 18 remaining. And again, a 9-point lead again. Lumamang na naman ng siyam ang team CAS over in flights. Any rally attempt ng in-flight, sinasagot po kagad ng Team CAS. This is for the ranking also. One should go up, one should go down. One will be 7-0, one will be 6-1 sa gabing ito. Ayun na, sir. Idol. Dito ba? Sabi, wag madalas CAS. Kaya ng CAS. Sabi ni Kayasa. Sabi ni Isa. Isa yan, malamang Isa. Sabi Sir Isa. Kaya ng CAS. Isa nga yan, Isa. Okay, game. Ariola. Wag magmadali daw. Ariola, driving strong. Ayaw muna. De Guzman for 3. No good. Ariola. Wala. Sayang. Again, Matayas. Si Matayas. Top board. Ginawa ni... Top board. Ginawa ni JS. De Guzman. Matayas. Ariola again for 3. Ariola, 3 points. Yes, sir, 3 points for Ariola. Okay, 2 points again by JS. Ariola. Ouch! Madulas. Number 4. Rivera. Oy! Traveling violation. Natakot. Yes! Serrano! Boss! Serrano! Okay, tumatay. Ito naman yan. Okay, ito na. Boost, De Guzman again for 3! Kapos! Okay, out of bounds. Number 16, Rivera, humigap, tumanggap ng bola. Serrano. Rivera, pops up. Ayun kay number 4. Stepping on the line. Binanatan niya. Hop! Ayun na. Di Macali, no good. 3 minutes 23 remaining. Wag magmadali daw, sabi ni Isa. De Guzman, JS against Di Macali. Ayun. Nice dish, malalim. Nice steal. Ayan, Rivera. Ayun, the step play made by number 4. Di Macali. For 3. Kapos. Ariola Kapos. Yes. Serrano. Kaya? Okay, sabi na ano, wag mabili ng cast. And now, the score is okay, 12-point lead advantage now by Team Cast over in flights. Ariel Amampang is watching also. Sabi ni Isa sa Senado, nice defense daw ng Cast. Okay. Okay, bola po ng Cast. Number 9, Lama. Lama ba? Uy! Backing violation. Backing violation. Number 18, Mercado. De Guzman, driving strong, bothered by Tan, pero may foul, sumabit sa Tan. 2 minutes 16 remaining to fourth quarter action. Lamang pa rin po ang Cast. 63-75. Sabi ni Kinmanes, go in flights. De Guzman, first shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. It's in. Basket is in. Number 9. Tan. Number 18. 2 points number 18. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Foul. Wala na. Sa down yan. Down. Shoutout pare kong Omas-as. Sabi din ni JR, Gray, go Team Cast, focus. Lamang lang yan, lamang na, focus lang. Sabi ni Yasa, shoutout kay pare kong Omas-as. Omas pala, si Omas pala yan, Omas. Number 18. And now Di Makali pops up. It's in. Counted pala. 66-77. Binato. Ayun si Mercado. Mercado intercepted. Di Makali. Mercado walang pinasahan. Sorry. Walang pinasahan. Balik muli po sa gas ang bola. A minute and 29 remaining. Ayun. Malakas ang pasa. Balik muli sa influence ang bola. Sabi ni Jerbs Arnado, nice tog. Okay, ito na po, no, Ariola driving shot. Nahuli. Hoy! Walang hawak. And Di Makali and one play. Hindi nakita. Di Makali shooting for the bonus free throw again. The score is 68-77. 9-point lead na lang muli po ang Cast. Di Makali, no good. Rebound battle won by Di Makali. Foul again by Silva. Boss. Pero pwede naman i-cancel muna siya, pwede? Oo, i-cancel muna. Okay siya? Sige, walang problema siya. Nasa Wakra ako siya. Nagkukover ako ng game. Walang problema, boss. Thank you po. Walang problema siya. What happened? A minute and 18 remaining. Game clock. Oy! Foul! Di Makali called for the foul. Contreras mag-inbound. Inbounding in Fronteras. Omasas. Omas. Hounded. Nakuha. Foul! I think they're going now for full court press. Number 18 called for the foul. Okay, 18 labas muna. Rivera papasok muna. And also si Silva labas muna rin. Papasok muna si number 9. And penalty situation ang Team CAS. 69-77 na score. First shot. It's in. Ariola, second throw, jumpers ready. 70-77. Ariola pops up. Wala. Rebound. Di Makali. 2 points si Makali. Again, full court press again. They go for full court press. Nakuha. Wala pa rin. Kapos. Mercado. Nagmamadali. Salting. 2 points salting. 77. Laman ng 5. Na break. Rivera. 2 points. JS. Serrano 2 points. Di Makali. Ariola, Ploto shot 2 points. 71-79. Laman ng 5. 28 remaining. Tan. Foul. Shooting for 2. 76-79. Lamang ng 3 ang CAS. Nag-rally biglang in-flight. Relax lang, Team CAS, sabi ni Yasa. Okay, labas muna si number 9. Quality minutes kay number 9. Si Pontelo. Penalty situation. Tan shooting for 2. Kailangan ma-make lang kahit isa lang yan. Isa lang basket. It's in. 4-point lead. Tan second shot. Second free throw. Tan. Both basket made. Timeout called by in-flights. The score is 76-80. Laman po ang in-flights ng... Laman po ang Team CAS ng 4. Nag-rally bigla ang in-flights. Kaya naging 4 kanina. Kanina, ano na yan? 12 na yan, pero nag-rally bigla. Naging 4 na lang ang kalamangan. I think they will go for quick 2 and quick foul kagad or paso mag 3 points and quick foul. Salting for the inbound. Sabi ni JR Prince Gray, relax na Team CAS, patay oras na. Okay, salting. 14 seconds, shot clock. Mercado, pumuposisyon. Inbounding, ball incoming. Ariola. Salting, Mercado, for 3. Bang, no good. Okay. 13 seconds remaining. Matayas. Number 4. Foul. And 1 play pa. That's it will be. That is the final game of the day. Lumawag. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Wala si Enteng. Yun ang yun. Lumawag, basket made, 6 seconds remaining. I think that's it. That's it. Okay, that's it. Congratulations and still undefeated Team CAS. Nice game guys, nice game boss, nice game guys, nice game. Nice game boss, nice game boss. Group photo, group photo, group photo. Okay, final score 76-84. 8-point lead advantage, Team CAS. 7-0 ang kanilang kartada. Pakibalance lang po, boss. Pakibalance lang, pakibalance lang. Thank you. Dito kayo sa point. Okay, Team CAS now winning the game 76-84. 7-0. 7-0 na. 7-0. Delvinao says, number 1 na po sila. Number 2 na po ngayon ang Team CAS. Dito lang. Saan siya? Yan, okay. Okay, co-OG of the game pala si Tan and Lumawag. Okay, Tan and Lumawag, co-POG of the game.
Oh, usog pa ng konti, sir. Sir, ayan, yan pala. 1, 2.
Okay. O, dito. Sisikat kayo sa akin. Oh, halika rito. Uy. Halika rito. Dito ka. Okay, we're here now. You can go co-MVPs of the game. Tan and Lumawag. Sir, paano sila na-break yung kanilang parang nag-trap sila nung huli? Final 30 seconds. Pakidetalye po. End of the game.
Yung sinabi ng coach namin na
Okay, coach.
ano lang oo. Yung ano lang yung
Sige.
yung ano sir yung tao lang tapos tiwala lang kayo sa kasama nyo makukuha rin natin yung lamang nila.
Okay, Tan, ikaw, ano sabi siya? Yung final 30 seconds of the game, nag-trap sila doon. Umabot ng almost 3 points na ang lamang ni muli from 12 points. Sige po.
Medyo
O talaga, nag-trap sila.
pero ano lang, tiwala rin sa teammate, gano'n.
Ngayon sa game na ito, number 1 na kayo, sir. Sino ang gusto yung makalabang sa quarterfinals? Kung maaari, kung kami makapumili kayo.
Shout out sa Ginab.
Okay.
See you next time, Ginab.
Okay, Tan, and Lumawag. 1 minute each po, sige. Shoutout po siya, sige.
Asawa ko sa Pinas noon.
Asawa mo sa Pinas, ha? Okay, asawa mo sa Pinas. Okay, ano pa? Ayusin mo, huy! Ayusin mo.
See you Saturday.
Okay, chill. Okay, Tan, okay. Final word po, sir. 30 seconds lang.
Sila Julius.
Ha?
Sila Julius.
Okay, Juice mo ba? Binabati ka. 30.
Sa girlfriend ko. Sa girlfriend ko.
Okay, girlfriend po. Oh. Kaway din girlfriend mo. Yung nakitim, no? Tama? Okay, thank you. Wait po, thank you. Paano ba? Okay, wait po. Ito po, Team CAS. Okay, Team CAS po. With it po, Team CAS po. Still, wala pa rin talo. 7-0 na po sila, Team CAS. Maraming salamat po. And see you again po. Another basketball action. Same time, same place, same channel. 3, 2, 1.